Most people trying to publish on Amazon KDP are fighting in the exact same crowded niches. I know you've seen it: generic self-help, vague fitness books, or broad finance guides. But here's the truth. The real gold mine is not in those overdone areas. The real money is hiding in niches that are untapped. Categories where demand is high, competition is low, and readers are starving for new content. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what those niches look like in 2026 and how you can find them easily. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, let's start with why most people fail. They look at the bestseller list and think, if everyone's writing about productivity hacks, then I should too. But then what happens? Their book gets buried under thousands of similar titles, and then no one ever finds it. Now, a goldmine niche is different. It's where people are actively searching for solutions, but the competition hasn't caught on yet. For example, instead of writing a broad weight loss book, you write about intermittent fasting specifically for new moms. Instead of writing about investing, you write about how to start investing with $100 as a college student. Here's a concrete example. I had a student who wanted to publish in a cooking niche. Instead of going broad with healthy recipes, she published a book on fermentation for complete beginners. The competition was tiny, the demand was strong, and within 3 weeks, she was ranking on the first page. Now, that's what I mean when I say a gold mine niche. So how do you spot these niches? First, search Amazon. Type in your keyword, scroll down, and search for the number of reviews. If the top books have hundreds, if not thousands of reviews, then the niche is probably oversaturated. But if you see books that have less than 100 reviews that are ranking well, then you stand a chance here. Second, look at the categories, because Amazon gives you breadcrumbs here. If you see categories like home brewing or minimalistic living, those are opportunities that most people are ignoring. Third, listen to conversations. Forums, Facebook groups, Reddit. People are literally out there asking for solutions. And those solutions can become your next book if you're paying attention. So in 2026, the untapped goldmine niches aren't the ones that people think they are. They're the micro niches, the underserved categories, and the spaces where people are looking for help but not finding enough good books. If you want my full system that I use to uncover these niches step by step, including my research process and keyword sheet, I break it all down inside my course. The link is down below. Check it out if you're serious about taking on publishing. And don't forget to subscribe for more publishing strategies that actually work. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video.